Welcome back, money makers. Imagine creating colorful, fun, and engaging educational videos for kids. In this video, I'll show you how to make an alphabet video using Canva, step by step. Okay, guys, so once you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to create a blank video. And then the next thing you want to do is go to Elements. Click on the square here. We're going to change the color to a yellow. Okay, so this is the color we're going to use, and we're going to put it in our canvas, and we're going to expand it. Okay guys, so once that's done, you want to go to text to your left. I'm going to add our alphabet. Okay, and we're going to change the color of this letter A to the color white. Okay, then we're going to increase the size of it. Okay guys, so the next thing we want to do is change our font to League Spartan. Okay, and then we're going to increase the size. All right, and then just bring the A to the left. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going back to Elements, and I'm going to choose a shape with round edges, and I'm going to resize it some and flip it around. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go remain in Elements, and we're going to type in apple. Okay, and I am going to choose this apple here. And then the next thing I want to do is go back to text. I'm going to add a heading again. All right, and I'm going to write out apple. Okay, I'm going to change the letter A to the color red. So highlight it, go up here at the top and click on red. I'm going to change the font for all of these to back to League again. All right, League Spartan. Okay, I'm going to drag it down here. I'm going to increase the size of apple. All right. Okay guys, so next thing we want to do is go back to Elements and type in shadow. And we're going to click see all, and I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay. Okay guys, we're going to drag it over here, and then we're going to copy, and then we're going to paste, and we're going to drag the other one over here onto the right side. Next thing we want to do is group this together. Click group. Okay. Okay, the next thing guys, you want to go back to Elements and type in square at the top. We're going to put the square, I'm going to make it a little smaller. Drag it to the right over here. And we're going to decrease the transparency all the way to 0. All right. Move this over just a little bit, okay? Up at the top, so make sure you get some of that apple. Okay, guys, so when that's done, we want to group all this together here. Click group, and then we're going to go to the bottom, and we're going to duplicate the page, okay? And we're going to drag our letter to the left. Okay. We're going to leave a little bit right here, not completely all the way off the page. And then we're going to drag our apple to the right. Okay. Leaving a little bit right here. Okay. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move this page into the front. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to add a transition. All right. We're gonna add match and move. We're gonna increase it all the way to 1, and then we're going to decrease the duration of this to 1.8. All right, we're going to duplicate this page, and we're going to drag it over here, and we're going to decrease this to 2.0. All right, let's go back to our transition because it removed it. All right, go to match and move, 1.0. All right. Okay, guys, so what you want to do is just bring your line back all the way top and click play. And there you have it, guys. And so you can do the same thing with the rest of the letters, B through Z. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.